Every passing day, we are getting a lot of more details about the Galaxy S23 Ultra new 200 megapixel camera, and this time it is about how it will be different from S22 Ultra or what kind of new features and details we are going to get in the S23 Ultra, all in this video. As exynos already see some of the official camera samples of Galaxy S23 Ultra, and according to him, there are a couple of changes he has seen on the S23 Ultra. First, the new 200 megapixel camera on the Galaxy S23 Ultra will bring more natural details and with less noise. As per Samsung tradition, Galaxy devices always brings more saturated pictures, but this time Samsung is going to change it by adding a natural feel to it. Second, the night photography on the Galaxy S23 Ultra will be improved significantly. The base mode of the Galaxy S23 Ultra also brings more details and the colors are different from the previous generation on the 12 megapixel. The telephoto shooter is also getting an update where it brings more sharpness on all 4 modes: 10x, 20x, 30x and 100x. The AIE is also getting an update where it will be used to repair some lines and brings more natural feel to the picture. These are some of the significant updates we are going to see on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Do you guys like saturated images on Galaxy devices or you like more natural images? And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Okay, now that we have some new updates on the Galaxy S23 Ultra 200 megapixel camera, there is more information here for the telephoto shooter and what the real life samples of the Galaxy S23 Ultra says. According to exynos, Galaxy S23 Ultra will be a king over 20x zoom, but under 20x, Vivo X90 Pro Plus performs better than the Galaxy S23 Ultra, as he saw the real sample but didn't upload the images publicly, as he shared the file size and more information taken on the Galaxy S23 Ultra with its telephoto shooter, where we see the better aperture f4.4 instead of f4.9 on the Galaxy S22 Ultra, and the file is also big compared to the S22 Ultra, so it has much more details into it. Let me tell you something important. Galaxy S23 Ultra 200 megapixel camera is not fully optimized, but it is still performing better than the S22 Ultra. So as it is making progress, we can see some really good images out of it. Some of the new features that you haven't seen on the S22 Ultra is here for the S23 Ultra, where S23 Ultra is capable of recording 8K video at 30 FPS and 4K video at 120 FPS. Not only that, if you don't want a lot of details and want to save up some storage, Samsung is also going to offer the user 3 modes: 200 megapixel, 50 megapixel and 12 megapixel. 50 megapixel was not available on the S22 Ultra, but finally Samsung listened to the users and gave this feature to them. Samsung is planning to launch Galaxy S23 Ultra in the first week of Feb, and phones will hit the market on 17th of Feb. If you guys want to see the real 200 megapixel camera sample of Galaxy S23 Ultra, then you guys should watch this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.